Okay, ma'am.
Hanji, good morning everyone. Today 31st of August 2021, Tuesday morning, going to start further explanation for the chapter Growing Up Boys and Girls. So in this chapter, Growing Up Boys and Girls. Listen, Prachi. Now, we have come to know about the content part that our stereotype thinking means our already perceived mindset had made this kind of difference among the society that girls are they are for suitable for a particular task and boys for them there is a suitability of one another task means define the parameter beforehand to make the execution of the things like teaching and nursing is ideal for the female and scientific approach or engineering can be done by the males. Half masculine work can be done by the males. So this type of tradition, this type of values, this type of you can say mindset is already being enforced by the society among the boys and girls. Like मैंने जब ये chapter start करवाया था, I had given you one term that being a male or female is a biological difference. But that biological difference, we as a member of society making a gender distinction, make a gender discrimination. हम लोग gender discriminate कर लेते हैं that boys means strong, girls means weak. Boys means ideal for the particular task, girls means ideal for the particular task. So that kind of things, number of examples we had discussed. And another thing, equal pay for equal work. यहाँ पर अब मैं ये task बताना चाहूंगी. As gents or male were considered as strong, so they were considered as more capable of doing some of the task. है ना? They were capable of doing more other tasks than the female, and female were becoming as a less effective. Females considered hoti hai less effective, but and they were not being equally paid. वो equally paid भी नहीं थे, they were being less paid. But अगर बात की जाए as compared to male, females are more versatile. Are you getting my point? Females are more versatile in the different types of tasks. Like you can take the example, if your mom is preparing something in the kitchen and if any phone rings come, she can manage with the phone along with the kitchen task. But if that type of one task is being given to the male and if a phone comes now, he just attend the phone and move out from the home. Leave all the job, whatever he is doing, and concentrate only on one task, that is attending the phone. But as a female has the capacity, or you can say having a nature of doing all the tasks, versatile in nature. That is why I must say that females are versatile in nature. One time they are managing with the cooking, another, I'm just giving you example. One time they are managing with the cooking, another on a phone. Third, if you want to say something to your mother, she will also reply you on the same time. Do this, this, and this. And her hands are working like anything. But if that kind of same task is being given to a male, that cannot handle because man can handle only one task at one time. And female has the capability of doing versatile tasks at one time. Is it okay? So that is a quality of different male and female. Another हमारा component जो हो रहा था, that was we have to go with the lives of domestic workers. Life of domestic worker on page number 49. We have to proceed that. Like there was a lady that was Melanie. Melanie was a lady who was working in Mangala. उसको लिखा हुआ है. That was a lady working in the Delhi in one of the house, which was 3-story house, teen story ghar tha, and she was supposed to do all the cooking work in the kitchen and stay there. And her working hour starts from morning 5 a.m. to till midnight 12. No, oh sorry, midnight to 12. So that was there, and she was not getting a time to rest, and she was supposed to prepare every matlab breakfast also with different variety, lunch also with different variety, and dinner also with the different variety. But she was supposed to take only two sukhi chapati with one cup of tea, and she was not supposed to wear footwear at the home because that will create a matlab, dirty home in that place. So floors can become dirty. That is why she was not allowed even to wear the footwears at in the home during in the severe winter condition, and that gives a swelling in her foot. So that kind of, you can say, harassments are being made under the unorganized sector. ये कौन सा सेक्टर है? ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है नहीं, ये अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर है. इस अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर के अंदर a lady owner was making harassment to the women worker Mangala who is working over there. She was feeling scared. वो डरती थी कि because of the shout is being made by the owner. So this type of, you can say, working condition can be there for a female if they are working in unorganized sector. Is it okay? So that kind of conditions are also there. And here the question is, can they get respect? They should get respect. Even they should get equal treatment. As when they want to take third chapati at home, because early in the morning 2 chapatis with 1 cup tea, and in the night they were get only 2 chapatis, and she was preparing third chapati, not to saying anything, but to the other workers she was giving third chapati, and she herself was taking third chapati, because since morning to midnight if a continuous work is to be done, then the energy level should be there, but they were not getting. So इस एग्जाम्पल को देखकर हमें लगता है कि there was lot of discrimination in the working condition under the organized and unorganized and male and female. So ये पॉइंट हमारा यहाँ पर कंसिडर होता है. सेकंड आता है, we commonly term housework is actually involve many different tasks. अगर हम लोग देखें तो हमारे घर पे मम्मा जो है वो हाउस होल्ड का काम करते हैं, घर पे सारा काम करते हैं, क्लीनिंग, वॉशिंग, utensil cleaning, mopping, brooming, every task is being done. Even blending and all other different, managing all your clothes, dress, material, everything she is managing. उस task में a lady has to move in different ways, or she is going to do in different areas. So the number of tasks are different from the urban area to the rural area. अगर rural area की बात की जाए, girls or women are fetching the water from the wells or the ponds and taking that on their head from 3 to 4 kilometers away. Then second is, just wait. And we were continuing from the task that was women were engaged in the rural area or in the urban area in the different tasks. In the rural area, girls or women were supposed to take or fetch water from the wells and rivers in the pitcher or in the jars from 3 to 4 kilometers. Then they have to collect the fire sticks from the open area and then collect that fire sticks and come, and along with that they have to take you can say, fodder for their cattle. Fodder, even you might have seen in the rural area, women were handling a bundle of the fodder on their head and walking just like and running just like on that areas with full of sweat and full of energy. So that type of different tasks are being done by the women in the rural area. And in the urban area, different area, women are engaged with the different kind of task. Is it clear up to this? Is it clear? So cooking, washing, cleaning, managing with the kids, managing with the guests, all these different tasks are being done by the women. So work of the women are, you can say, physically and mentally, demanding everywhere. Physically भी demand करता है and mentally भी demand करता है, whatever the task is being given to them. Another aspect of housewife and are taking care of their kids. Women are also taking care of their kids, family, weak persons, senior citizens. Everyone is being dependent upon our women, not on the men. So that is another task. Household work of the human do outside the homes also, as we find spend much more time in the working than the men and less time for their leisure. अगर देखा जाए तो girls or women are getting less time for their leisure, less time for their relaxing, because if a working woman is there, suppose आप अपने घर पे example लीजिए, अब if your mother is working, she is managing all the domestic work, she is managing all her professional work, she is managing all the relatives, all the gatherings. Whenever you people are going somewhere, managing everything for you people to go, and when you come back along after that, again she is managing, she is getting less time for her player, her layer, but she is every time occupied with the work, isn't it? आप example देख के अपनी मम्मा की life को देख के देखो, you can well understand this. So next is अगर देखा जाए तो women are working more as compared to the men. Men are working only in the professional field. अगर आप एग्जाम्पल देखो, आपके पापा सुबह बिजनेस पे या ऑफिस में जाते हैं, उसके बाद घर आकर वो बेड पे बैठ जाएंगे या रिलैक्स करेंगे काउच पे बैठ के, he will be not doing anything क्योंकि he had worked outside and want to relax at home. वो डायलॉग क्या मारते हैं, घर पे आए हम लोग रिलैक्स ना होए. And women who are working, they are managing everything recklessly without saying anything. You can take example of the working women, those who are working inside the home and outside the home. They never raise a question that they want to take a time for their life. They are managing more and working more than the men. This is actually the reality. Now the next concept is women's work and equality. Here I had explained you how the women are being discriminated, how the mindset of the society due to the stereotype thinking is being developed. But still there is a difference that we have seen low value attached to women's household and caregiving work is not an individual or family matter. This is you can say society matter. At a part of longer time inequality between men and women and has to deal through the actions not just as a level of individual or a family, but also at the government side. That equality should not be attained only at the family matter. Family भी नहीं consider करती है जब तक कि government उनको equality ना दे. So government has ensure equal work, equal pay. Number one. Government has recognized that whether the work is being done by the male or female, there should be no any kind of, you can say, difference between the working, and there should not be any kind of difference between, you can say, the salary or you can say the services which is being given by to them or being done. So this amendment or this provision should be done by the government. और government ने ये बनाया है या नहीं बनाया? It is there. So now we come to know equality is an important principle of our constitution. Our constitution has ensured equality as if they had given under the fundamental right. हमारे fundamental rights है ना, उसमें all the person irrespective of their caste, culture, creed, religion, sex means male and female, they had given right to vote. हमें right to vote मिला हुआ है. They had given equal opportunity for get the work and equal participation in any of the activity. So the constitution say that being a male or female should not become a reason for discrimination. In reality, inequality between the sex is existing. Constitution ने तो कह दिया कि there should be no any kind of inequality, but actually it is existing in our family. You just consider your family, your mother's condition, your sister's condition, your buaji's, masi's conditions, whether they are enjoying equal status as the men enjoy, they are enjoying equal layer as the men enjoy. So that is the thing. The government is therefore committed and understanding the reason for this, for taking the positive steps to remedy the solution. They recognize the burden of the child care. Means चाइल्ड केयर. अब छोटा इन्फेंट है, उसकी ज्यादा जिम्मेवारी किसके पास होती है? मदर के पास होती है कि फादर के पास होती है? मदर के पास. दिस इज नेचुरली इंपॉर्टेंट. ये नेचुरली इंपॉर्टेंट है कि मदर इज कीन टू टेकिंग केयर फॉर देयर किड्स एंड फादर इज लीस्ट बॉदर. मतलब करते तो हैं, ये नहीं हम कहते कि नहीं करते, बट दे आर नॉट मच टेकिंग केयर ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. So whether the girl can attend the school, it determine whether the woman can work outside the house or kind of jobs carries they can have. The government has to take the steps of Anganwadis. Now another step is government has ensured to set up Anganwadis for the ladies who are working outside so that their kids can be managed properly. They are taking care of their kids, and if they want that the girls or women should go work outside, government has made the provisions of Anganwadi for taking the child care centers in the several village, and the government has passed the laws to make the mandatory for the organization to have more than 30 women employed to provide crèche facility. अगर कोई इंडस्ट्री, कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जिसमें 30 women are working, then that organization has the liability to have crèche facility so that women can bring and brought their kids and taking care of them within that crèche facility. Okay? That facility is being given and that law is being given by the government. So the provision of the crèche help many women to take up employment outside the home, and it also make possible for more girls to attend the schools. Is it okay? यहाँ तक कोई doubt है? So this is how boys and girls are brought up. Last page, page number 52. There are two pictures which are being given. One is being given. मैं हर कहीं मौजूद, मेरी अनदेखी और नहीं संभव. कौन सी वह तुम्हारी उपलब्धि जिसमें मेरा नहीं है ये भाग, औरत को चाहिए अपना अधिकार. These are the lines which are being given over here, that कोई भी ऐसा टास्क नहीं है जिसमें विमेन्स की इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है. कोई भी ऐसा, कोई भी आप कहीं पर भी देख लीजिए, कोई भी ऐसा टास्क नहीं है जहां पर विमेन्स की वर्किंग नहीं है, बट विमेन्स आर स्टिल नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एज अ इक्वल एज अ मैन, एंड दे वांट, they are demanding for their right. Next, second picture में देखिए, a woman is being depicted with a different hands which are cleaning, even you can say worship to the nature god. प्रार्थना भी, पूजा भी माँ ही घर में करती है, घर पे करती है ना, पाठ पूजा भी माँ ही करती है घर पे. टेकिंग केयर ऑफ किड्स, खाना भी वही बनाती है, कपड़े भी वही धोती है, और हाथ बना हुआ प्यार भी वही करती है दिल से अपने बच्चों. Isn't it? So all these different tasks are being done, and that is why I had used the word versatile. A lady is always versatile in a nature. Is it okay? यहाँ तक clear है? Now come to the glossary point. Glossary. Identity. Identity is the sense of self-awareness. हमें अपनी अवेयरनेस खुद रखनी होगी. जब तक हम अपना, means a women, हम अपना अधिकार नहीं रखेंगे तो कोई भी हमें हमारा अधिकार नहीं देगा. जब तक women अपनी डिमांड नहीं रखेगी ना, तो कोई भी उसको रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं करेगा. Typically, a person can have several identities. For example, a person can be a girl, sister, or a musician. Right now, I am here as an identity of a teacher. When I am with my kids, I have the identity of a mother. When I am with my parents, I am having identity of as a daughter. Isn't it? So different identities, and ये identities एक being a female हर lady के पास. Double burden. Double burden क्या मतलब? दो तरह का बोझ. Literally meanings double load. This term is commonly used to describe women's work situation. It is emerged from the recognition that women are typically labor both inside the house and outside the house. They are working recklessly at home अब सपोज ये 2 प्रीवियस छुट्टियां थी, क्या आपकी मम्मा ने दोज हु आर वर्किंग, क्या उन्होंने बैठ के गुजारी? नहीं, दे हैव डन समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट, इजंट इट आदित्य? मम्मा ने सारा काम किया, घर पे 2 दिन एंजॉय तो नहीं किया होगा? She had make everything arrangement for next 6 days, and now she is again working as a teacher in the school. So this is what double burden. Double burden means they are managing properly at house for all the tasks and in the school or whatever in the working conditions are. Caregiving. Caregiving refers to the range of tasks related to looking after and nurturing. Beside physical tasks, they are involved in the strong emotional aspect. If you people are becoming weak, you people are becoming sensible, like somewhere you feel a kind of a warm hug, then that can be given by your mother only, not by your father. If you are crying, if you are not feeling comfortable, you are being scolded by your teacher, someone by outside, by a friend, at that time when you want a warm hug, that can be given by your mother only, not by your father. Isn't it? ऐसा ही होता है. Mama will sit with you, listen to you, and give a direct you. Emotionally, she feels care and love to you. So that is caregiving. And devalue. Devalued होती है, उसकी value कम. When someone is not giving due to recognition of the task or the job they have done, they can feel devalued. अगर आप मम्मा के काम को appreciate ना करो, yes mama, you prepared a very good food for us, she feels devalued. She is not feeling happy. But when you recognize her work, definitely she is flying in the sky like anything. And she will be preparing more good quality of in future for you. So appreciation makes you can say do wonder. Appreciation done by you, small appreciations, do the wonders, and they will be flying in the sky like anything and do different tasks for you people with full enthusiasm. So this is what value of the work should be there. But in our society, always women are demotivated with the not recognized by them. Is it okay? So all the glossary points are clear to everyone? Is it okay to everyone? Online students, Aditi, Kavya, Ansh. So with this, we had completed our syllabus. Now, next I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, I'll explain you everything tomorrow, what we have to do.